Are you looking for a 4-bedroom, 4-bath with an in-ground pool that has a stocked pond and 9.3 acres in Cantonment? Well, today we're going to tour 4-bedroom, 4-bath with 9.3 acres. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. So this 9.3 acre property is in Cantonment, Florida, just outside of Pensacola, Florida. Does have a remote gate entry. With all of the trees that line the driveway are hollyberry, and it also has a separate 30 by 60 shed, and the pond is stocked. It's in the back of the property. I'll show you that in a later video. So here is the house. It's around 3,000 square feet. You have a bonus room upstairs. There are 4 bedrooms downstairs. 1 bedroom could be used as an office, and you could use the bonus room upstairs as a bedroom instead. There is a separate bathroom upstairs. So as you come up to the porch, this is covered. You have the recessed lighting and a nice sitting area here. This door does go to one of the bedrooms. So we'll go into the front door as we walk into the foyer. This is hardwood. We got the high ceilings, the crown molding. So you come into the living room, does have the tray ceiling, the recessed lighting, at a big window looks out the backyard. You can see the pool and the pond from the living room. That is a gas fireplace. Off the living room are 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. And you also have another room here, could be used as a bedroom or an office. It's currently being used as an office. Does have the crown molding. Looks out to the front yard, the Plantation Shutters. There is a closet, the wire shelving. Come back out to the living room. There is a formal dining room, and then the kitchen main bedroom is off on that side of the house. But we are going to start on this side, and we'll go to bedroom 1. Does have carpeting. This is the bedroom that is in the front of the house, and it has the doors to access to the front covered patio. And we'll go, this bedroom does have the crown molding. And come out, and then there is the first full bath, the single vanity, and the tile shower, tub shower combo. Some shelving here, there's storage, and there's more shelving on the other side of the tub. Crown molding in here as well. And come out of the bathroom, we'll go to bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 has the carpet and the crown molding and is in the back of the house. You have views of the pool. And then a closet with the wire shelving. So this is a split floor plan. You have the 2 bedrooms on the one side, or 3 if you want to make this a bedroom or leave it as a office. And then there's the bonus room and the main bedroom on the other side. This is the dining room. It's got the chair rail and also the crown molding, high ceilings, wood flooring. It's the main dining room. The plantation shutters facing the front of the house. And then the kitchen has the tile, separate island, the sink in the island. At the quartz countertops, the lighting under the cabinets, decorative cabinets with the glass for your decorative dishes. The fridge is a Subzero. And this is a gas range top. It is a wolf. You have the stainless steel range hood with the shaker cabinets. And then the wall oven is the KitchenAid. Microwave is a Sharp. The view of the kitchen does have the vaulted ceilings with the recessed lighting. And there's 2 entrances into the living room. This through the kitchen area, and there's the foyer through the dining area. We have the nook area here. Doors that take you out to the multi-level deck, the plant ledge. So we'll go out to the covered patio out in the back. This does have the recessed lighting, fan. This door here will take you to the main bedroom. And this door over here would be bathroom number 2. So this would be the bathroom. It is a full bathroom, has a vanity. This would be the bathroom to use for the pool. And then a standalone shower. Here's a good view of the backyard. Do have a couple of deck seating areas. It's all fenced in, the wrought iron fence. The fire pit over here. And seating area. And come down to the pool. The in-ground pool. This is a liner pool. So we've got a outdoor fire pit here. It's all fenced in. And that is the pond in the back. It is stocked. So we'll go back in. Do have the lights also in each step out on the deck. Don't have to worry about not being able to see the steps in the evening. This is tile out here on the covered patio. Now we're going to go over to the main bedroom. This here is a closet, the wire shelving, and in the 2-car garage there's also storage under the steps that'll take you up to the bonus room. With some wire shelving in the garage as well. As we go into the main bedroom, there's the door right there that'll take you up to the bonus room. We're going to go into the main bedroom to start with. It does have the tray ceiling, the recessed lighting. There's carpet in the main bedroom with another gas fireplace. And here's the doors that will take you out to the covered patio. There's the shed in the back. Main bathroom has the 2 separate closets. This closet has additional storage at the wire shelving, and then there's additional area. And then does have the 2 separate vanities, and then the separate tile shower, and the other closet also has the wire shelving, and then the water closet and views of the backyard. So now we will go up to the bonus room. This is carpet, and this door here is some storage in the attic. Access to the attic, and there's this would be bathroom number 4. Does have the standalone shower, and also there is the closet here with wire shelving, and there's the AC condenser is up here with its own separate room. Then there is, you can use this as a bedroom. This is upstairs. It is in the front of the house. So if you are considering moving to Cantonment, just outside of Pensacola, Florida, looking for some acreage, 9 acres, 9.34 acres, with a in-ground pool, a pond that is stocked, a separate 30 by 60 shed, 4 bedroom, 4 bath. All of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.